हाय सुमंदा,
हाय जिनत भाई।
कैसे हो?
बस ठीक हूँ।
So, what you are up to today?
Today I am preparing special chicken curry of my style.
All right.
So you like to know how I prepare, right?
Yes. Chicken, is it
So this is
broiler or the?
no. I don't take broiler. This is local chicken. Then I have prepared some spices here, which is
All right.
important to be noted. Like this is special paste I have made. Okay.
Okay.
This is special paste comprising of garlic, onion, red chili, then ginger. One special secret ingredient is here. I will not say that. This is my special secret. Then
Okay.
now I'm marinating.
Not even to your best friend.
Afterwards, out of the camera.
All right.
Okay. Now I'll just mix all the items and I'll just say how it is to be mixed.
Can you please mention what are the other items you have added?
Yeah, definitely. When I mix, I'll just inform the names, right?
All right.
So this is salt. Definitely, I don't like too much of salt. So I'll be taking it in measurement style. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then this is turmeric powder, haldi. Half teaspoon you can say. I'll not be using the red chili powder because already I have given red chilies in the paste. Then this is a very interesting item. You know what is this? This is lemon zest. It's called lemon zest.
Lemon zest, right?
Lemon zest.
What is lemon zest? I will just explain you.
Yeah.
It's the outer part of the lemon.
Yeah.
We grate it and take it out.
This is my special masala paste.
All right.
which I'll be-
That's also your secret, right?
And this is not secret actually. This is done by almost every people. Only one item I made it secret. So this whole masala will be inside from the people. Actually, we don't have that stone grinder. No? This mixer is not that good. We should grind in the stone grinder, which old people used to do, like our mom, grandmothers. That's why their cooking used to be the tastiest. Now the modern people used to go for shortcut, right?
Right.
We don't want to do hard work. All shortcuts, all machines. We all use only the machines. Anyway, I'm doing the system like this. This is your lemon juice, not lemon, orange juice. So I have to filter the seeds. This is orange juice, okay? So chicken marination in orange juice. This is one of the special recipe. See all the seeds I'm building now. Then I'm adding some cumin seed powder, jeera powder. Coriander powder. Coriander powder. Then little oil, huh? Not much. No need of oil. Today I'll cook without oil. More taste. Just mix it up. So I'm not cooking with oil, zero oil. This is zero oil cooking, right? Get it there?
All right.
Yeah.
So we are going to have a very healthy
Healthy chicken
chicken. Okay.
with all the natural ingredients. Zero oil cooking. At first I thought of putting oil, but I don't know. My mind changed. I'm like this only. My mind changes drastically.
Okay. While this, I just want to ask you something. Okay. We can see orna accessories in your fingers and this. Can you please tell me what is it and what is the base
these
behind
things
it?
I used to wear from my school days. I like.
School days, the days when we were together or after that?
No. It's from
High secondary.
High secondary. Up to high school, I was very सीधा था ना, innocent. I don't know how
He
to
was,
styles.
he was innocent.
Yeah.
And now?
Now I am everything. You can come and see some of the other ingredients which I have prepared. So
Yeah.
these are the potatoes grown in our garden. These are organic
Oh,
potatoes.
that's fantastic.
Very small potatoes. Okay.
Okay.
And these are grapes.
These
used
grapes.
in my chicken.
Okay.
Then these garlic. Then cardamom, long elaichi, everything is there. The
Right.
black pepper. These will get going in the end. These are not now. Okay. No, sorry. We will add potatoes now. Potatoes will go now. Because potatoes will require time to melt.
Cook.
Okay. So this is the way where we can cook chicken without any oil. Zero oil. I love to wash my hands after every activity, so that it's very neat and clean, right?
Yeah.
For marination, I kept the chicken in refrigerator for 30 minutes, and now it's still cool with all the masalas engrafted in it, and now my cooking utensil is getting heated. See, this is not non-sticky. It's sticky. It's made of iron or aluminium. It's made of aluminium. But I can cook here also without oil. Okay.
Okay.
See, this kadai got extremely hot like me. And now I'll put all the chicken here. It will not get stick. This is the anda. We have to put very fast and then it will without oil. Once you put, you want the kadai. Sometimes we put tomato also. You should keep on stirring sometimes. So after you stirring it for 5 minutes very vigorously in low flame, the point to be noted is low flame. Then you cover it with a very perfectly fitted lid and keep it for 10 minutes. Some juice will come out of the chicken, and with that juice only you can prepare the curry. I have added like this full garlic, 4 pieces. This will add extra flavor to the curry, and you have to keep on stirring like this for some time more, so that it doesn't get stuck in the bottom of the kadai. Now you increase the flame and you stir for some time, so that the juice of the chicken evaporates and it gets a nice flavor to it. You can come close and see how beautiful. Without oil my curry, chicken curry. It's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Full
Absolutely.
say I have not added oil. एक बात बताओ,
जी बताओ.
खाना दिल से बनाना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
उसमें टेस्ट अपने आप ही आ जाता है.
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है.
और खाना भूख लगने के समय ही खाना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
टेस्ट नहीं देने से भी आप टेस्ट से खा लोगे. टेस्ट आ जाता है.
ये भी बहुत सही बात है.
So my frying of the chicken is finished. Now I am adding little water. Almost 400 ml of water. 500 ml. I will keep this on for 15 minutes, and then I'll see how much it was. And now I have prepared garam masala. Okay, this is garam masala. I have blended like this. I have prepared. And this will go at the end. And while we will serve in the plates for marination, we have to slice the ginger piece. So almost ready. Now I'm putting this special garam masala to flavor at the end. After pushing garam masala, you will just mix it well so that all the masala goes inside. So it's not that gravy, it's not that watery, it's very thick gravy. I have made it thick gravy because in this season we have to take chicken with dal, right? Wow. And last important one thing I just like to show. See, this is sliced ginger marinated in lemon juice, and it will go at the end. So my chicken is ready. Are you ready to test?
Yes.
My chicken is ready. Now just we'll test how it is. As per our Hindu culture, we used to offer to the goddess Agni. First bite, eat it like this. In olden days, people used to offer in the chulas, but now we offer in the gas. Many people doesn't know. Why you know? It is a Thanksgiving. Because this fire is my meal, no? So it's a Thanksgiving. Now, just look at taste, huh? Can't express. Without oil, the taste is 10 times better than with oil. Healthy, tasty. You can also try my recipe.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank
This
you.
is our organic potatoes, all mixed. They become very soft. See, very soft.
Wow, great.